Welcome to our strawberry cheesecake recipe. Let's start with the ingredients you'll need. For the crust, you'll need 200 grams of digestive biscuits, crushed, and 80 grams of unsalted butter, melted. For the cheesecake filling, you'll need 300 milliliters of double cream, also known as heavy whipping cream, 400 grams of full-fat cream cheese, 100 grams of icing sugar sifted, and 400 grams of strawberries, finely chopped and drained. And for the topping, you'll need 200 grams of strawberries with some half for decoration. Now, let's make the crust. Mix the crushed biscuits with the melted butter. Then press this mixture into a spring-form pan to form an even base. Pop it into the fridge to chill. Whip the cold double cream until stiff peaks form. In another bowl, beat the cream cheese and icing sugar until smooth. Then fold in the whipped cream and chopped strawberries. Spread the filling over the chilled crust, smoothing the top. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Top with halved strawberries before serving. This dessert is creamy, fruity, and perfect for any occasion. Like and subscribe for new recipes.